So folks, welcome back. This is the tank bag, this is my keys, and this is the tank ring, and this is the thing. I don't know how it is used. Let me figure out. I'm planning to install it right away, so let me install. Yeah, so I think you got to open the tank in this way, like most of you guys already know. So I might have to take off these 4 nuts and then eventually also rip off the other nuts. This is beside this also. So let me go ahead and open this up. And it is important to always keep a waste or a cloth so that the nut doesn't fall inside. Yeah, we'll do that. So the cloth, mandatory to put it in the tank so that it doesn't fall. So this is how it's gonna look like. Let me remove the nuts. So I'm using the 7-inch Allen with the screwdriver. So I'm going to remove it. I'm not going to use the Allen key straight away because it's going to just damage with the angle that I turn. So let me go ahead and remove it. Always important to take out in different angles. After removing those things, I have to remove these 2 nuts according to the manual that is here, and then I have to install it on the other ring. Let me go ahead and do that. Back with the spanner. So to remove that, I need a star sort of thing. So let me go ahead and rip it up. So this thing came off now. So these are the screws. It's so tiny in size. And now after this, I think I'm gonna just take out so this thing comes off as of now, and then we have to replace it with the bada size ring, which I just told you in a minute. Alright, so this ring will go now, and it is going to accommodate, I'm guessing, in this way, if I'm right. And this is pure plastic. I think that was aluminium. Oh, this is plastic as well. So I think GV, hands down, better quality for sure. Done with the fixing. So let me go to the tank right now. So all I realized even before going to install this thing, right, this is just completely dirty. Let me take this opportunity to clean it up. So I'm going to use a WD-40, so just stay tuned. So this is how it's going to look after cleaning, and I'm going to put up this ring right now. So make sure you don't miss out on this washer. If this misses, it's going to be such a pain, because that is how it's going to drain the water. Man, this is a perfect fit. So after putting it in this way, right, it's a perfect fit. I have to just install the nuts. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so after fitting the tank ring, it's gonna look in this way. so you will be able to close it as well. So before that, always make sure that you take out this thing what you inserted, and there's a lot of fuel, not sure why, so let's do it. For it. Alright, so that's how it's gonna look. Please ignore the background noise and everything, and just pull it, it will just come off. Can't do it with both the hands, so let's see.